Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use rotation command in CATIA. Okay, CATIA all 3D command learn easily, explain all these points deeply and clearly. Okay, today you can see here CATIA lecture 49 discuss here, and point 49 lecture is point is a rotation is very important in this CATIA software. Okay, at first open a CATIA software interface. Okay, this is our CATIA software interface, and this body is a 3D design and use a rotation command in CATIA. Okay, this is our rotation command and this body is use, and this is a how to work in this body. Use a rotation command. Okay, rotation command is click here. Okay, and this is a 3 point is discussed here. First point is axis angle, second point is axis 2 elements, and 3 point is 3 points. Okay, the first point is axis angle. Okay, axis any axis. Okay, this point is axis and angle is a 90. Okay, this point is a rotate here. Okay, and this point is angle, axis angle. Second point is a axis 2.2 element. Okay, axis means this axis, and first element means this body, and second element is a this body is a rotate here. Okay, body is rotate here. Okay, again third point is discussed here. Third point is 3 point. Okay, 3 point means first point. Okay, first point you can see here, first point, and second point is a second point, and third point is a third point, and body is a preview is you can see here, body is rotate. Okay, this point is a rotate here. Okay, and again discuss a 3 point is first point any point means first point is this point, and second point is this point, and third point is a this point, or body is okay, this point is a rotate here. Okay, guys, rotation lecture is complete here, and next lecture is coming soon. Guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.